Welcome to DG Proctor, world's leading and most secured end-to-end test management system with live online invigilation. In this video, we will learn how to understand your test analytics. Click Menu. Click Result and Analytics tab. Here you can see all the tests that you have launched. To view the assessment of any test, click on the Result and Analysis tab corresponding to the test name. Suppose, here we want to see the results for the test, English SAT. This is how the results look like. There are 4 tabs. Test Information. Here you can see the information related to the test, for example the parameters chosen for the test, for reference. Performance Analysis. Here you will find how your class has performed in the test. Test Analysis. Here you will find the analysis for your test, as to how difficult or challenging was your test. Behavioral Analysis. Here you will find the recordings for each student along with trust levels. The page shows the class performance for your test. These calculations are made on the fly. As each test taker finishes with their test, the information gets updated. In these tabs, you can see the highlights of the test as to what has been the highest score, lowest score, mean, median, and standard deviation. The test result graph gives you the view as to how many test takers lie between various ranges of percentage obtained. For example, there were 2 students with marks ranging from 50 to 60%. Here you can see the distribution of test takers according to the marks obtained. You can sort the learning matrix section-wise. Here, you find the topic-wise analysis of your test result. This gives you a dive inside the test result. This tells you how your class has performed topic-wise, such as, for the test chosen. We can see that for vocabulary topic, the lowest someone scored is 25%, the highest obtained is 100% along with the average being 70%. You can see each TOPIS's analysis in here. Bloom's taxonomy is a set of 3 hierarchical models used to classify educational learning objectives. This represents the learning matrix of your class according to the Bloom's technique, classified into the various modes through which we assess the absorption of knowledge, such as recall, understanding, and application. This is a comparison chart for all your tests taken till date. You can view the trend for the performance of the class over a period of time. By choosing which tests to compare, you can compare any number of tests, and you get the comparison done on the fly. You can have the comparison on the basis of marks, as well as percentage. Select Individual Performance. Here you get to see the result of each test taker separately. From here you can sort the test takers by the parameters mentioned. Here you can see the position of the test taker selected, as to where they stands in the class. You can view the learning matrix as well as Bloom's taxonomy for the test taker individually. Below, you can compare the performance of the test taker for the various tests taken by him. Here only one test is being taken by the test taker. You can view the results of each individual by clicking on his name. To look for a particular test taker, you can search from here. Click Test Analysis. This section gives you a view for how did the test perform. You can see the performance of the test according to these parameters. Option Guessability allows you to see how good the options were in distracting the test taker. Down below, you can view the item analysis of each question. Click on any question to see its performance individually. Click Question Difficulty tab. Question Difficulty gives you a view of how hard or easy were the questions in the test. Click Question Anomaly tab. Question Anomaly allows you to see whether there was something wrong with a question, which got the test takers confused. Click KR20 tab. KR20 is a statistical measure to calculate the reliability of the test. Click drop-down to sort by type of questions. You can see the analysis for each question individually by clicking on the question from here. Here you can see Question Anomaly for the selected question. Click Option Guessability tab. Here you can see frequency analysis for the selected question. Here you can compare the performance of the tests selected. Click Behavioral Analysis tab. This section gives you the behavioral analysis for each test taker individually. Here you will find the recordings for the test taker while giving the test. If you find any discrepancy, you can bookmark the instance from here. The bookmark created can be found here. To view the bookmarked instance, click Play. In case you need to disqualify a test taker, click Disqualify. As you disqualify him from the test, his result will get invalid and the class results will get updated accordingly. If you want to allow the test taker a chance to give the test again, click Retest. A mail will go to the test taker regarding the retest to be given. You can search for any test taker from here. The trust levels details are displayed here. Trust level of every individual is 100% in the beginning. If he breaks any rules set by you while creating a test, his trust levels fall accordingly. Click Session Information. Here you can see the session information for the test taker, as to when did he start the test and when he submitted the test. To view the chat between the test taker and the proctor while the test was ongoing, click Chat. Click Test Information. This section allows you to see the details for the test such as duration, rules regarding breaks, negative marking, etc. Thank you for watching this video. Call DG Proctor Help Desk for any queries.